to TV.
Let's color these alphabets. Red color. A. A for apple. B. B for basket. C. C for cat. D. D for doll. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. G. G for grapes. H. H for hen. I for ice cream. J. J for jug. K. K for kite. L. L for lion. M. M for monkey. N. N for nest. O. O for orange. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rabbit. S. S for snake. T. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. W. W for watch. X. X for Xmas tree. Y. Y for yak. Z. Z for zebra. A for apple. B for basket. C for cat. D for doll. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for kite. L for lion, M for monkey, N for nest, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rabbit, S for snake, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for Xmas tree, Y for yak, Z for zebra.
TV.
Hello kids, let's learn alphabet. A for aeroplane. B for basket. C for car. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for girl. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nose. O for orange. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0
TV. Please like, share and subscribe.